Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are going to do something different. You're going to get to clean with me. I'm going to do 2 rooms today, and every other week I will do 2 rooms of cleaning. It'll be more of a sped up, slowed down kind of thing, where you get to see me cleaning the 2 rooms, and I do 1 room a week, so this is a 2-week process. Because I live alone, so these don't get all that dirty, but that's enough of me talking about this. Let's jump into this and get the cleaning done.
Okay. that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
I hope you enjoyed that. Cleaning, watching somebody clean, I think is just wonderful. I enjoy being reminded to, like, get things cleaned, and I also like cleaning along with somebody. It makes you feel like you're not doing all this cleaning alone. Let me know down in the comments what you thought about that. Also, I'd like to thank these wonderful people who let me go on these tangents of cleaning. This is going to be a new series. Every other week we will clean 2 rooms. You'll get to see it done and it'll be a lot of fun. If you want to join the Patreon family and the channel members where they get to get these videos early, and they also get a behind-the-scenes vlog where I talk about what's going on, how I'm doing, how things are progressing. You can go ahead and do that. Also, if you made it this far, go ahead and like and share this video. That way it helps the YouTube algorithms know that, hey, this video is a video that other people should see. I hope you enjoyed this and hope I get to see you again the next time you stop by.